Good morning po guys. At araw po ngayon guys ng Lunes guys. So, video cleaning po yung assign ko ngayon guys. So, ngayon guys, before po ako guys pumunta sa aking cleaning. So, bibigay muna ako ng inspiration song guys. Ito po ay mga experience po sa mga sasaktan po guys. So, ito po ay kanta po ay Jealous po guys. Collaborate po itong kantang to. Jealous po Collaborate. I'm jealous of the rain that fall upon your skin. It's closer my hands have been, 'cause I'm jealous of the rain. Jealous of the wind that ruffles through your clothes. It's closer in my shadow, 'cause I'm jealous of the wind. And I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there is nothing to forgive, but I'm always there to come back. Tell me all you found was a heartbreaking mystery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. You're happy without me. Thank you so much po.